Alright guys, this right here is a master lock number 532. I did some trading for this lock. It's pretty nice. It's 5-pin. I hear it has spool pins in it. You can't get to the core. The plug doesn't pull. So I don't know what kind of security pins are in it, but there are some in it. We're gonna pick it. And I got this lock from Sniper Predator. I traded him some Americans for it. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. So there it is. This is the hollow diamond pick. Pretty cool. And I'm going to try to kind of single pin pick it first. See where that gets us. Alright, that was it. Well, it's got a couple seconds. Maybe I'll try to rake it. There it is.